In this Polycom instructional video, we will perform two types of transfers. A screened transfer, which is an attended transfer where you are screening a caller and announcing the caller to the transfer recipient prior to completing the transfer. The second transfer type will be blind, where we do not announce the caller to the intended recipient. Step one, this will be an attended transfer. So the first call simulates an incoming call to a reception type phone. I'm going to answer the call. Now I'm going to transfer the call. And I'm going to transfer to extension 6002 here. Hello. I have Frank on the phone. Would you like to take a call from Frank? No, I would not. I'm sorry, Frank can't take your call right now. Would you like to leave him a message? Okay, goodbye. So that was a screen transfer where we did not complete the transfer of the call. Here's a call where we will complete the transfer of the screen transfer. Notice the call was transferred because I hit the transfer key, or I could have hung up simply to transfer the call. That is an attended transfer. Notice the caller ID shows not the caller ID from the originating call, but the caller ID from the set that transferred the call. Caller ID 6010 from the originating station. Destination is extension 6002, showing the caller ID of the call extension that transferred the phone call. Lastly, we will do a blind transfer. Notice I pressed the blind key after hitting the transfer key, but prior to dialing the extension number. Call was immediately transferred. Notice the caller ID matches the caller ID of the originating station, or the incoming caller ID value. This is the preferred method of transfer. This transfer method preserves the incoming caller ID and does not get lost during the transfer of the call. This completes the training section on how to transfer calls on Polycom phones.